So today we have an assortment of Melissa and Doug kitchen food items. I'm really excited to see how these would all fit together for a really awesome playtime. First, we're going to open up the chef's costume, which is really cute. It's geared for ages 3 to 6. Let's open it up. Okay. All right. This is super, super cute. Their costumes always come with some extra little accessories. So to start, it comes with a cute little chef's hat with this really cute, red plaid detail around it. It does Velcro open and shut, so you can fit it on. Really cute. This will definitely fit the average 3 to 6 year old. I have a 4-year-old boy. He's on the taller side, but this would definitely fit him. What's really fun is that it comes with a little restaurant badge, so you can put your child's name. It even offers a spot to put their picture, which is really cute, and it Velcros on and off here, so you can take it off if you so desire. Also another spot on the back. What's really nice about this plastic that Melissa and Doug uses for things like this is that you can use a pencil and it will erase off very easily. It very rarely, in my experience, leaves long-lasting marks. So that's really cute. Let's see. The buttons, these are fake buttons. It Velcros open and shut just like the hat to make it fit. Really well sewn on. Again, I really like the red and white plaid detail. But these, I really appreciate that these are sewn on well. I also have a 1.5-year-old who tugs and bites everything. I'm not too worried about these coming off. They're sewn on really, really well. On the middle button, we have some cute little measuring spoons that are on a little carabiner. Really cute. And they actually are a half a teaspoon, half a tablespoon, and a tablespoon. So very realistic. In the pockets, we have some wooden utensils, a spatula and a spoon, and some stirring things. And then on this left arm, we have an oven mitt. Everything matches really well. It's very, very cute. I like that set. And what's actually really fun about the dress-up clothes that Melissa and Doug offer is that I've seen parents use these as Halloween costumes. So something that you have just in your house for play could also pass for a really cute Halloween costume. Very nice. So we'll put that to the side. Okay. Now, let's open up the Tip and Sip toy juice bottles. I saw these and I thought these were really simple and a super basic little addition to put in your play kitchen. But what I thought was really special is that the liquid disappears. So let's open it up and check it out and see what that looks like. And they're also really colorful. Let's get this open. Okay. Now this is geared for ages 3 and up. Let's see. You get 6 bottles. So we have a grape juice, a berry mix, an apple juice, cranberry juice, and an orange juice. Very cute. And then also in the box, we have a card to order your favorite juice. And then on the back, it also has some special combinations that you can create with these juices. So we have a sunrise special. It's orange juice and cranberry juice. Grapple, so grape juice and apple juice. And then a very berry, which is a combination of the cranberry juice and the berry mixed juice. So, and it also has instructions on how to make them. Very cute. Also, same as the restaurant card, same kind of plastic. You can use a pencil on it, wipes away very easily. What I think is really nice about these bottles is that they are a really strong plastic, but when I set it down on my table, it almost kind of sounded like glass. It's definitely not, so you don't have to worry about it breaking open. The caps don't open, so the liquid is not going to actually come out, but when I tilt it, you can kind of see that it disappears a little bit. It's kind of magical in a fun way. That's really cute. I would love to display these on a shelf or with my child's play kitchen. Very cute. Just adds an extra element to that play. Very cute. So we'll set those aside. Okay, next I think we'll open up the bread and butter toaster set. This is so cute. I really love toys that resemble real life. I've said this before, that our kids just want to be like us. They want to do the things that we do. And what better way for them to learn life skills than to incorporate these things into their play. Kids learn best when they're playing too. So this is a really, just simple way for them to learn basic skills. So let's just take out what we have in the package first. This set is also geared for ages 3 and up. So we have our toaster made out of wood. In it, it comes with 2 slices of bread. On either piece is a little piece of Velcro, so the soft side and then the sticky side. So we can put our slices in the toaster. We have our button that kind of jostles them. It can make them pop, if you will. On this side, we have just a little knob just to adjust the temperature or the time that you want your toast to cook. Very cute. Also made out of wood, very sturdy and well made. Comes with a little pretend butter knife and our set of butter. This is really cute. The butter have also the Velcro, so when you are ready for your toast, you just stick your butter in, and that is really cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. Very cute. Okay, and then it also came with this bread-shaped card, toast order. You can mark how many slices you want, what you want on it, butter, very cute, and then has a little rhyme on the back called Toast Time. Very fun. What a cute little addition to a very simple, very, very basic toy, but something that would work great in a play kitchen along with multiple other things. So very cute. Let's put that aside. Okay. Next, let's do the wooden cutting fruit. Okay.